Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volfie from the barn shop garage thing. And Papa Volfie, you ready to see Moon Shadow? I'm amazed how, okay, here it is folks. Here's Moon Shadow. It's not as purple as I would like, it's more blue, but you know what? It works really, really well. Look at these stripes, folks. Any body man will tell you how difficult it was to paint this car.
In a barn.
In a barn. There's our little gas tank, fuel cell, fuel tank. Oh, the seat's in it, Howard.
It's dusty.
I'm not sitting in it, not yet. It's on jacks. This is beautiful, Howard. Look at the stripes. It goes from, I'm going to say this is royal blue, which is a purple blue cross. And it goes up to, it just kind of fades. Into black. Howie, it fades to black. Fades to black. And this is what you use my Christmas wrap for?
Yep. And
now what's this again? Now tell me what this is over here, honey. Because we had a hell of a time when we went to Costco and we put this in the back of the truck and it was flapping in the wind. Highest windy day of the year.
It's 1/8 thick Lexan.
Now what's Lexan? Is it plexiglass?
It's better than plexiglass.
Why is it better?
It's shatterproof.
Oh!
So it's for the windshield, side glasses, and the hatch.
Awesome.
But I'll have to buy another sheet to do the rear hatch.
Now this seat was originally red. Tell us what you did here, dear. Stick your head in the door.
Used Duplicolor fabric paint.
Duplicolor fabric paint. It's dusty in here, but frig, it looks good. So now do the harness actually come through these holes in the back of the seat?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, so he used a spray paint that is designed for fabric to, he couldn't find purple unfortunately, but that's okay. Purple would, just show up the dust just as much. Oh, there it is. There's my Back to the Future buttons. Can I shut this door?
Yeah.
Oh man. This is absolutely beautiful, dear.
It's a work in progress.
Well, so now what you got to do is, come spring, well, you're going to put a coat of clear on it. Correct me if I'm wrong.
It is clear.
I know, but okay, it's cleared, but you're going to wet sand it.
Wet sand the car.
And then you're going to take it into a real paint booth and have it shot with clear.
Either the local shop or I will take it into work and shoot it on a Saturday.
Yeah. This is awesome, honey. Can I ask why these parts aren't painted on the back windows?
Because the windows cover all that. Which I'm now in the process of detailing.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I'm going to detail them with some flat black.
Right.
And then they will go back on the car.
Moon Shadow would look really cool right in here. But where are you putting Moon Shadow? Back here?
Probably there.
Well, where's Teen Volfie going to go?
Don't know, dear.
Okay.
Right now I have to assemble the car.
Yeah.
Get it running.
Yeah.
Suspension and everything in it. And get it ready. And then I'm going to wet sand the whole car.
And clear it.
And clear it. Yeah.
So now, you said something, we've been ordering some stuff for engines and stuff. What have you got?
Engine rebuild kit.
Oh yeah, let's have a look at this.
I got a complete rebuild kit. Pistons, rings, gaskets, bearings, everything.
So you're going to rebuild it?
Yeah.
We were thinking of getting somebody else to do it, but you know what?
Everyone's busy.
Well, Howie, I have complete faith in you.
Oh, so
it's either going to be a really fast car, or it's going to be a Molotov cocktail.
A grenade. Either way, it'll be fun.
So Do you think that the heads need machining at all, or are you going to get that looked at?
I'm going to get that all looked at. So it's.
So if it needs,
There was no overheating. There was no problem with the engine before I tore it down, other than the one of the valves was sticking. So
okay.
if I'm going to pull that apart, and I had to change the oil pan anyway, and for $400 a complete rebuild kit, I might as well.
Well, a whole rebuild is closer to 1,000, isn't it?
Oh, to have someone do it, it'd be a lot more. I'm just talking about parts.
That's what I mean.
No.
You're saving a lot of money doing it yourself.
Yes.
What's that metal for?
Those are the door pads on the inside.
Okay.
Gonna paint them purple.
Awesome.
Which you think it's blue, but it's wait till it's in the sun. It's purple. They're going to cover. The last thing you want is to be climbing around a car with a bunch of sharp edges.
Sharp edges and stuff, right?
I was going to leave them aluminum. Look, I don't know. Haven't decided yet.
No, I want them purple.
They will probably be purple.
Thank you.
Everything is over here all wrapped up. I got a honing kit. I got the tool to put the pistons back on the rings in the cylinders. All this stuff just needs to be cleaned.
You need a good work stand in here.
No shit. I mean, no poop.
Yeah.
But there's the heads there. Which there's... Really, they just need to be cleaned. I'm going to change the springs.
Touch them again because they're behind that bucket handle. There we go.
I'm going to change the springs and the seals and the guides and everything. I'm going to change all that, put it back together. Shazam.
I love you so much.
Yeah. And I only got 2 months to do it, so.
Okay, I'm out of here.
You're not going to see me for 2 months.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how does it.